I got a question about these vertical foregrips that I've been using on the MBAR. So I've actually made three different variations of them. Uh, this one is for the Unity taps mount. That's what I've got on the MBAR. The other two, one is for the Surefire dual pressure pads, and the other one is for the Unity Axon pressure pad. And I just got the other two mounted to some AR-15s that I got over here. All three of these are 3D printed. This one just snaps on with the Picatinny rail underneath, and this one screws in with the Picatinny that the Axon uses. For the Unity, this one I have two M4 screws, the same countersunk screws that I've been using here, for example. Um, and like all three of these are 3D printed. I had to print them at an angle and put this like slope to prevent it from breaking, but it is strong enough to not break when I put it against a barricade. Um, I think the main advantage for this was I wanted to have the pressure pad on the vertical foregrip, since that's usually how I like to hold it, and I don't want to have to take my hand off the foregrip to hit the light or laser. The other advantage is you don't have to use like any glue or any tape to secure this, like screws or Picatinny is much more secure. And The other thing is you're not making the grip thicker because the pressure pad is actually going inside of the vertical foregrip. So I just thought this was all around a better solution. It didn't take time to design. It didn't take a lot of time to design or build. And the files are available on my website, but I can't really link it here. Otherwise, YouTube will, give me another channel strike. So just head over to my X if you want to find the link to it somewhere. You can just download the files and make it yourself. If there's another pressure pad you want to see this for, just let me know in the comments. I'll see if I can find some time to make it. Yeah, thanks for your support. I'll catch you guys in the next one.